Hey, everyone! If you've tried everything to lose weight but still haven't gotten the results you were hoping for, this video is for you. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental topic that many people overlook on their weight loss journey: the importance of sleep. Did you know that a good night's sleep could be the missing key to transforming your body and mind? That's right. Sleeping well is as crucial as eating healthy and exercising. In this video, we're going to understand how sleep affects your metabolism, your energy, and even your emotions. And the best part is that I'm going to share practical tips for you to improve the quality of your sleep and therefore boost your weight loss journey. So if you want to discover how to get a restful sleep and lose weight in a healthy way, stay with me until the end. Let's start by talking about the direct impact of sleep on your body. Sleep is not just a time for your body to rest. It's a critical period for various physiological processes. During sleep, your body undergoes repair and growth, your brain processes information, and your immune system gets a boost. Without adequate sleep, these essential functions are compromised, leading to a range of health issues. Many people believe that weight loss is only related to diet and exercise, but sleep is a factor that cannot be ignored. When you sleep well, your body is better equipped to handle physical activity and make healthier food choices. Conversely, poor sleep can sabotage your weight loss efforts, no matter how well you eat or how much you exercise. When you don't get enough sleep, your body starts to release stress hormones, like cortisol. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone because it helps your body respond to stress. However, when cortisol levels remain elevated due to lack of sleep, it can lead to various negative effects on your body, including increased blood pressure, reduced immune function, and even weight gain. This hormone is directly related to increased appetite and fat storage, especially in the abdominal area. Elevated cortisol levels can make you crave high-calorie, sugary foods, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. The fat stored in the abdominal area is particularly concerning because it is associated with a higher risk of chronic diseases, such as diabetes and heart disease. And that's not all. Lack of sleep also affects the production of leptin and ghrelin, hormones that regulate hunger and fullness. Leptin is the hormone that signals to your brain that you are full and should stop eating, while ghrelin is the hormone that stimulates hunger. When you don't get enough sleep, the balance between these two hormones is disrupted. When you don't get enough sleep, leptin, which tells you you're full, decreases, and ghrelin, which stimulates hunger, increases, making you feel hungrier. This hormonal imbalance can lead to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods, particularly late at night when your willpower is at its lowest. This leads to less healthy food choices and can lead to a vicious cycle. Poor sleep makes you crave unhealthy foods, and eating these foods can further disrupt your sleep, creating a cycle that is hard to break. Over time, this can lead to significant weight gain and other health problems. So, if you're struggling with your weight, the first thing you need to do is analyze the quality of your sleep. Are you getting enough hours of rest each night? Is your sleep environment conducive to restful sleep? Addressing these questions can be the first step towards better health and weight management. Ideally, you should try to get between 7 and 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and making your sleep environment comfortable can all contribute to better sleep. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity for your overall health and well-being. Prioritize your sleep, and you'll likely see improvements in many areas of your life, including your weight, mood, and energy levels. In addition to the quantity of sleep, the quality of your sleep is equally important. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, reducing screen time before bed, and keeping your bedroom dark and cool can enhance the quality of your sleep. Good sleep hygiene can make a significant difference in how well you sleep and how you feel during the day. By making sleep a priority, you set the stage for a healthier, more balanced life. You'll find that you have more energy, better focus, and a more positive outlook on life. So, take the time to invest in your sleep, and your body will thank you for it. But what does quality sleep really mean? Let's explore this question further. When we talk about quality sleep, we are referring to sleep that is not only long, but also deep and restful. Sleep is divided into several cycles, and each cycle consists of stages that include light sleep, deep sleep, and REM, rapid eye movement sleep. Deep sleep is especially important because it is during this stage that the body recovers physically, releases growth hormones, and strengthens the immune system. In addition, REM sleep is crucial for memory consolidation, learning, and problem solving. To ensure that you reach these stages, your environment and your routine must be adjusted to promote quality sleep. If you often wake up several times during the night or don't feel rested when you wake up, it may be time to review your sleep habits. Considering factors such as light, noise, and room temperature can make all the difference. Now that we know the importance of sleep, let's move on to practical tips to improve the quality of your rest. Sleep is a fundamental aspect of our overall health and well-being, and improving it can have a profound impact on our daily lives. By making a few adjustments to our routines and environment, we can significantly enhance the quality of our sleep. First, set a regular sleep schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to sleep. Our bodies thrive on routine, and having a set schedule helps regulate our internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm. This rhythm influences our sleep-wake cycle, and maintaining a regular schedule can make it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Try to go to bed and get up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This might be challenging at first, especially if you have a habit of sleeping in on weekends, but over time, your body will adjust. Consistency helps reinforce your body's sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep at night and wake up feeling refreshed in the morning. This helps regulate your body clock and makes it easier to fall asleep. When your body gets used to a regular schedule, it starts to anticipate sleep and wake times, which can lead to more restful and restorative sleep. You'll find that you wake up feeling more energized and ready to take on the day. Second, create an environment conducive to sleep. Your bedroom should be dark, quiet, and cool. The environment in which you sleep plays a crucial role in the quality of your rest. A dark room signals to your brain that it's time to sleep, while a quiet and cool environment can help you stay asleep throughout the night. Invest in blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to eliminate unwanted sounds. Blackout curtains can block out light from street lamps or early morning sun, creating a dark environment that promotes sleep. Earplugs or a white noise machine can help drown out disruptive noises, such as traffic or noisy neighbors, allowing you to sleep more soundly. And to further improve the quality of your sleep, consider adjusting your diet. What you eat and drink can have a significant impact on your sleep. Certain foods and beverages can either promote or hinder your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Foods rich in tryptophan, such as bananas, nuts, and poultry, can help increase serotonin levels, which contributes to better sleep. Tryptophan is an amino acid that your body uses to produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate sleep. Including these foods in your diet can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Also, avoid caffeine and alcohol a few hours before bedtime. Caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with your ability to fall asleep, while alcohol can disrupt your sleep cycle, leading to fragmented and less restorative sleep. It's best to avoid these substances in the hours leading up to bedtime. These substances can negatively affect the quality of your sleep, even if you don't realize it. You might think that a nightcap helps you relax, but in reality, it can prevent you from reaching the deeper stages of sleep, leaving you feeling tired and groggy the next day. It is also very important to do relaxing activities before bed, such as reading a book, meditating, or stretching. Engaging in calming activities can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Reading a book can be a great way to relax your mind, while meditation and stretching can help release physical tension and promote relaxation. The ideal is to disconnect from the worries of the day and prepare the mind for rest. Taking time to unwind and clear your mind before bed can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful sleep. Consider keeping a journal to jot down any lingering thoughts or worries, or practice deep breathing exercises to calm your mind and body. By incorporating these tips into your nightly routine, you can create a more peaceful and conducive environment for sleep, leading to better rest and improved overall well-being. Now, let's connect sleep with your physical performance. If you want to lose weight, it is essential that your body is rested and ready to move. Sleep not only helps muscle recovery, but also improves athletic performance. When you sleep well, your energy levels increase and you feel more willing to do physical activity. This means that by improving your sleep, you improve your ability to train. In addition, adequate sleep improves concentration and attention, which are essential for effective workouts. If you don't get enough rest, you may end up feeling tired, unmotivated, and even more prone to injury. With a rested mind and body, your physical activities become more effective and enjoyable. And speaking of enjoyable, let's see how the relationship between sleep and mood can affect your exercise routine. Another often overlooked aspect is the connection between sleep and mental health. Poor sleep can lead to problems like anxiety and depression, which in turn affects your motivation to exercise and your ability to make healthy food choices. When you don't get enough sleep, your ability to cope with stress decreases, which can lead to a cycle of emotional eating. This unhealthy eating can lead to weight gain and an even worse emotional state. That's why taking care of your sleep is also taking care of your mental health. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and even writing a gratitude journal before bed can help calm the mind and prepare your body for a deeper rest. If you are determined to take care of your physical health, you cannot neglect your mental health. A key aspect that we often overlook is the influence of technology on the quality of our sleep. In today's fast-paced world, our reliance on technology has become almost second nature. We use our devices for everything from work to entertainment, and even as a means to unwind before bed. However, this constant engagement with screens can have a profound impact on our sleep patterns and overall well-being. Exposure to blue light from the screens of our cell phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Melatonin is crucial for signaling to our bodies that it's time to wind down and prepare for rest. When we expose ourselves to blue light, especially in the evening, it can trick our brains into thinking it's still daytime, thereby delaying the onset of sleep. In addition, constant stimulation through social media and notifications can keep us alert, making it difficult to disconnect enough to get to sleep. The endless stream of information and the pressure to stay connected can lead to increased stress and anxiety, further disrupting our ability to relax and fall asleep. It's not just the content we consume, but the very act of engaging with our devices that can keep our minds active and alert. To improve the quality of our rest, it is vital to establish a digital disconnect at least 1 hour before bedtime. This means setting boundaries for our technology use and creating a buffer period where we can transition from the digital world to a more calming, sleep-friendly environment. By doing so, we give our minds and bodies the chance to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. This involves turning off all electronic devices and opting for relaxing activities such as reading, listening to quiet music, or practicing meditation. These activities can help signal to our brains that it's time to relax and prepare for sleep. Reading a book, for example, can be a great way to unwind, as it allows us to escape into a different world without the stimulating effects of a screen. Listening to calming music or engaging in meditation can also help reduce stress and promote a sense of tranquility. You can also consider using blue light filters on your devices if nighttime use is unavoidable. Many smartphones, tablets, and computers now come with built-in blue light filters that can be activated in the evening. These filters reduce the amount of blue light emitted by the screen, making it easier for our bodies to produce melatonin and prepare for sleep. Additionally, there are various apps and software available that can help manage blue light exposure. Another helpful tool is to maintain a regular sleep schedule. Consistency is key when it comes to regulating our internal clocks and ensuring we get the rest we need. By going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, we can help our bodies establish a natural rhythm that promotes better sleep. Try to go to bed and get up at approximately the same time each day, even on weekends. While it may be tempting to sleep in on weekends, maintaining a consistent schedule can help reinforce our body's natural sleep-wake cycle. This consistency can lead to more restful and rejuvenating sleep, making it easier to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, even on weekends. By sticking to a regular sleep schedule, we can avoid the disruptions that come with irregular sleep patterns and ensure that our bodies are getting the rest they need. This helps regulate your internal clock and can promote deeper, more restful sleep. When our internal clocks are in sync, it becomes easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. This can lead to improved overall health and well-being, as quality sleep is essential for various bodily functions, including cognitive performance, mood regulation, and immune system support. You can also create a sleep-conducive environment in your bedroom. The environment in which we sleep plays a significant role in the quality of our rest. By making a few simple adjustments, we can create a space that is more conducive to sleep and relaxation, making sure it is dark, cool, and quiet. Darkness is essential for the production of melatonin, so consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any light. Keeping the room cool can also promote better sleep, as our body temperature naturally drops during the night. Using earplugs or a white noise machine can help drown out any disruptive sounds, creating a more peaceful environment for sleep. Finally, you may want to consider using apps and devices that monitor your sleep patterns. These tools can provide valuable insights into the quality of your sleep and help identify any issues that may be affecting your rest. By tracking your sleep, you can gain a better understanding of your sleep habits and make informed decisions about how to improve them. These can provide helpful information about the quality of your sleep and suggest changes to your routine to optimize it. Many sleep tracking devices offer personalized recommendations based on your sleep data, helping you make adjustments to your bedtime routine, sleep environment, and daily habits to promote better sleep, and suggest changes to your routine to optimize it. By making small, incremental changes based on the insights provided by these tools, you can gradually improve the quality of your sleep and overall health. However, keep in mind that technology should be an ally to improve sleep, not a distraction. While these tools can be beneficial, it's important to use them mindfully and not let them become another source of stress or distraction. The goal is to use technology to enhance our sleep, not to become overly reliant on it. By implementing these changes, you can significantly reduce the negative impact of technology on your sleep and improve your overall health. Small adjustments to our bedtime routines and sleep environments can have a profound impact on the quality of our rest and our overall well-being. You can significantly reduce the negative impact of technology on your sleep and improve your overall health. By taking proactive steps to manage our technology use and create a sleep-friendly environment, we can enjoy more restful and rejuvenating sleep and improve your overall health. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining good health, and by making these changes, we can support our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Remember that small adjustments can make big benefits to your quality of life. By prioritizing our sleep and making mindful choices about our technology use, we can enjoy better rest, improved health, and a higher quality of life overall. So now that you know how essential sleep is for weight loss and overall health, it's time to take action. It's not enough to eat right and exercise. You need to make sure you're getting enough rest to support those efforts. Start putting the tips we have discussed here into practice and see how your life can change. And remember, the weight loss journey is unique to each of us. Sleep is the pillar that can unite all other aspects of your health. If you liked this video and want more practical tips on health and weight loss, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and share it with someone who also needs this transformation. Until next time, and remember, taking care of yourself is the path to a healthier and more balanced life.